Rava or Sooji Upma is one of the healthiest Indian breakfast option. Upma is known by different name in different region of India. It not just stands out in the taste, but also it's a complete meal for those who are struggling to lose weight. So let's get started. Sooji or Semolina is the main ingredient of the recipe. Selecting the right kind to make upma is very important. Two kinds of rava is available in market. One is really fine, which is usually used to make halwa and laddu. The second kind is coarse and relatively thicker than the other one, which is perfect for making upma. Now, heat up a kadhai or a pan on medium-high heat and add ghee into it. Though you can use any other vegetable oil, but I strongly recommend you to use ghee as it makes upma damn so flavorful. Once ghee is hot, turn down the flame to medium-low and add raw peanuts into it. Roast it on low flame for about 2 minutes. Make sure to cook peanuts on medium-low flame, otherwise it will quickly cook and change its color from outside and stays raw from inside, which gives a very unpleasant and bitter taste to the dish. Once it starts to splutter and change its color, take it out in a bowl. Then add few cashews into it. Fry it for about 45 seconds to a minute on medium-low flame. When it starts to turn pinkish in color, quickly take it out in a bowl, as cashews can burn really fast. Moreover, even after taking it out, cashews will keep cooking in its own heat for some time. Now turn up the flame to medium and add mustard seeds into it. Once it starts to splutter, then add chopped ginger and green chilies into it. Then add curry leaves. Saute them for about 20 to 30 seconds. If you don't have fresh curry leaves, you can use the dried one instead. Then add chopped onions into it. Saute onions for about 30 to 40 seconds or until it turns slightly translucent. Then add carrots, tomatoes, and green pepper into it. Saute vegetables for about a minute. You can also add any other vegetable of your choice like green beans or green peas. Now add 3 cups of boiling hot water into it. Use the same measuring cup which you use to measure sooji. Then add salt according to your taste. Once water comes to a rapid boil, start adding sooji slowly to the water and keep stirring it to avoid any lumps into it. I am using pre-roasted coarse sooji, but if you don't have the roasted one, make sure to roast sooji on low flame for 5 minutes or until it slightly changes its color and becomes fragrant. You can either dry roast it or use 1 tablespoon of ghee to add more flavor into it. I have used hot water so that I can maintain color and the crunchy texture of the vegetables. I have added all the sooji and it quickly absorbs almost all the water. I have forgot to add salt earlier in the boiling water, so I'm adding it now. Now cover it and cook it on low flame for 2 to 3 minutes in steam. Once done, turn off the flame and add fried peanuts and cashews into it. Then add handful of chopped cilantro and lemon juice into it. Enjoy this extremely delectable upma with your loved ones. If you are using this recipe for strictly weight loss, then avoid using cashews and peanuts for better and faster results. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video. I hope you like it. We'll see you soon in next video. Till then, happy eating. Bye bye. Take care.